BL-C100G5 USB-C to RJ45 5 grams Ethernet adaptation unboxing video. Let's take a look at the packaging. There is an Ethernet adapter model, physical picture, and related functions on the front. 5 grams high-speed interface, supports plug and play, compatible with multiple systems. Let's unpack and take a look. Made in independent dust bag. The Ethernet adapter body has a delicate frosted texture. No fingerprints, very comfortable to touch. The Ethernet interface is an RJ45 5 grams to Ethernet converter. Remove the protective cap and use the standard USB-C adapter. That's the end of this video.